Hi, to change icons color on the iPhone 13, as a first step, let's find new icons. For that, I just entered this phone app icon static and I like this pic, so I downloaded it already. And now we can just find this shortcuts app, open it, here tap on the plus, and now we need to select this section to open an app. And for the app, we are gonna select phone, of course. So now just tap this arrow in the upper panel. Here select to add to home screen. And now we need to rename this shortcut to phone. Then choose this option and select a photo. Just tap this button choose and now we can select to add it. And here it is. So let's check whether it's working. And yes, app opens immediately. So that's it, how you can customize the icons on your home screen. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.